The duck-billed platypus, scientifically known as Ornithorhynchus anatinus and often simply referred to as the platypus, is a small, semi-aquatic mammal native to eastern Australia and Tasmania. It belongs to a unique group of mammals known as monotremes, which are characterized by their ability to lay eggs rather than giving birth to live young. The platypus stands out not only for its egg-laying reproduction, but also for its unusual combination of physical features, making it a captivating subject of scientific inquiry and a symbol of Australia's rich biodiversity. The platypus is instantly recognizable by its distinctive appearance. Its most prominent feature is its duck-like bill, which is soft and rubbery and equipped with electroreceptors, enabling the platypus to detect electrical signals produced by the muscles and nerves of its prey in the water. This remarkable adaptation allows it to hunt for aquatic invertebrates, such as worms and insects, even in murky waters. The platypus has a streamlined body covered in dense waterproof fur, which keeps it warm while swimming. This fur is brown in color, except for the belly, which is creamy white. It possesses webbed feet with sharp claws, aiding in digging burrows and propelling through the water with remarkable agility. Interestingly, the males have venomous spurs on their hind legs, which they use for self-defense during territorial disputes and mating season. This venom, while not lethal to humans, is described as excruciatingly painful to humans. Worse yet, it is seemingly not affected by painkillers, including opiates, and causes immediate and long-lasting pain and swelling. The pain can last as little as several hours to as long as weeks after envenomation, making it a potent defense mechanism against predators and rivals. The platypus belongs to the taxonomic class Mammalia, but deviates significantly from most mammals. It is classified under the order Monotremata, alongside the echidna, another unique monotreme. Despite being mammals, these creatures lay eggs instead of giving live birth, harkening back to ancient evolutionary roots. Monotremes are the most primitive group of mammals on Earth. They are believed to have retained many features of the common ancestor of all mammals. The unique characteristics of the platypus, such as its egg-laying reproduction, electroreception, and venomous spur, have raised questions about the evolutionary pressures that led to these adaptations. Researchers continue to investigate these mysteries to gain insights into the evolutionary history of this intriguing species. Platypuses are primarily found in freshwater habitats, including rivers, streams, and lakes in eastern Australia. They are highly adapted for a semi-aquatic lifestyle, spending much of their time in the water. Their burrows, often located in the banks of water bodies, serve as shelter and nesting sites. Platypuses are solitary animals, and their behavior is crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. Their diet consists mainly of aquatic invertebrates, which they hunt by diving and foraging underwater. Their unique electroreceptive abilities give them a significant advantage in locating prey. Breeding season for platypuses occurs between June and October. After mating, the female lays 1 to 3 eggs, which she incubates by curling her body around them. After laying eggs in a nesting burrow, the female incubates them for around 10 days. Once hatched, The mother nurses her young with milk produced through specialized mammary glands, as monotremes lack teats. After a few months, the young platypuses venture out on their own. The conservation status of the duck-billed platypus has become a growing concern in recent years. Although it is not currently listed as an endangered species, it faces numerous threats to its habitat and survival. Habitat destruction due to urbanization, agriculture, and pollution of waterways are significant challenges. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their natural habitats and ensure their survival for future generations. Furthermore, climate change poses a threat to platypus populations, as rising temperatures can alter their habitat and reduce the availability of suitable water sources. Conservation efforts are underway, including the establishment of protected areas and monitoring of platypus populations to ensure the long-term survival of this unique species. Beyond scientific significance, the duck-billed platypus has captured the hearts of people worldwide, appearing in folklore, art, and even popular media. Its quirky appearance and unusual behaviors have made it a beloved icon, representing the wonders of the animal kingdom. The duck-billed platypus, with its intriguing physical features, evolutionary history, and remarkable adaptations, remains one of the most captivating creatures in the natural world. Its existence challenges our understanding of mammalian biology and evolution, and its conservation status highlights the importance of protecting its fragile habitat. Studying the platypus has also led to significant advances in understanding venom and its potential medical applications. As we continue to study and appreciate the platypus, we gain valuable insights into the diversity of life on Earth and the importance of preserving our natural heritage. The platypus serves as a testament to the wonders of evolution and the need to safeguard the delicate balance of our ecosystems to ensure that future generations can marvel at the mysteries of this extraordinary creature.